Hi sir, good morning. Myself is one mechanical engineering. 354 is my roll number. The topic is transfer formula. Transfer formula is named in honor of great French mathematician Fourier-Simon de Laplace, 1749 to 1827. Like as transforms, the Laplace transform changes one signal into another according to same fixed of rules or equations. The best way to convert differential equation into algebraic equation is in the use of Laplace transformations. Transformation plays a major role in control system engineering. To analyze the control system, transforms of different functions have to be carried out. Both the properties of the Laplace transforms and the inverse transformations are used in analyzing the dynamic control system. Linearity property f of 1 into t plus b of f2 into t gives rise to a f1 plus b f2. Frequency shifting property f of t gives rise to f of s minus s dot. Integration 0 to t f of lambda into d lambda gives rise to 1 by s into f of s. Multiplication by time t f of t gives rise to minus d f of s by ds. Complex shift property f of t e power at gives rise to f of s plus a. Time reversible property f of minus t gives rise to f of s. Time scaling property t by a gives rise to a into f of s. This is the formula, and this is also a formulas of transfer formulas. Laplace transforms can also be defined as bilateral Laplace transforms. This is also known as two-sided Laplace transforms, which can be performed by extending the limits of integrations to be the entire real axis. Hence, the common unilateral Laplace transform becomes a special case of bilateral Laplace transforms, where the function definitions is transformed is multiplied by the Heaviside shift functions. In the reverse Laplace transform, we are provided with the transforms, and to find what functions we have initially, the reverse transformer of the function f of s is given by f of t is equal to L to the power of minus 1 into f of s. For example, for the two Laplace transforms f of s and g of s, the reverse Laplace transform is defined by s. In the reverse Laplace transforms, we are provided with the transforms f of s and asked to find what functions we have initially. The inverse transforms of the functions f of s is given by f of t is equal to L to the power of minus 1 into f of s. Thank you, sir. This is my concept video.